All right, guys, welcome back to another video. The weather has changed quite a bit since the last time we were filming, and today we've got this beautiful Porsche Cayenne. We're gonna be wrapping it in a satin black. Super excited. We're gonna go dig in, walk around, and show you what we're working with.
Hey, so here we have my 2010 Porsche Cayenne S. So it's got a 4.8 litre V8 making I think around 400 horsepower. So bought it from Gatineau. Super nice owner. He was a car guy. He was always like into BMWs, Porsches, Audis. So I mean, it's this brown color, which is nice. It's nice, but it had a couple little things here and there. Like we got a little rust spot down there. I touched it up. Had a couple on the door, and then we had a big dent in the back, right around here. And it was like absolutely like just about the size of a can. Gabe recommended Marty the Dent Wizard. He was like, I can fix this without scraping it up or anything. So, you know, I prepped the car, I fixed the rust, and the dent's still there. And he just 30 minutes later, like magic, same thing around the side, did a dent here, and he fixed that up. And it's like, that's on a crisp body line. And you know, most of the time you can't get that, but he works some wizardry. Really amazing. It's a nice car. It's got brand new brakes, brand new everything, you know, well maintained. It's got that awesome tan interior. You know, it just looks like phenomenal, and it's really, really well kept. And yeah, driving this thing, it's absolutely unreal. For a 2010, you would think that it's not going to drive like a brand new car, but it really does. And no, it's been absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna wrap it, and we're gonna transform this. We got KPMF Satin Black, and we're gonna see how it looks when it turns out. So stay tuned and check it out.
All right, it's officially time. And there you guys saw it, a little bit of the brown in the sun. It is actually a nice brown, a lot of metallic flake in it, but as you know, you can't beat the satin black. Dude, that sounds amazing. That sounds amazing.
I'm glad.
All right, being in the barn and snow on the ground. Heat us up so we can make this vinyl wrap work. Get some of this wood to stir it. All right, update. We have it coming along. Got the nice naturally aspirated 4.8 liter V8 right there. Shine up that emblem. There we go. What every BMW owner aspires to be. We got it in the barn. Got the fire coming along, starting with the disassembly, and we're cleaning it at the same time.
Like a charm.
Like a charm.
Easiest thing in the world.
All of those off. We're just going around. We're probably, I'd say, about 98% clean, and we're that much closer to being able to lay the first piece. I think we'll probably just start with the hood, nice and easy. at YouTube? It is 2:30 in the morning. We've got the Porsche, I'd say 98% wrapped. We're gonna be calling it a night tonight. It's just too late and we're starting to make some mistakes. So we're gonna get a little bit of rest and get going on it again tomorrow morning. Skip forward to the next day. Here we are. Let's do a little walk around. So it was about 3:30 or so when we finished last night. We had the entire car finished, minus the spoiler and the mirrors. The thing with these mirrors is the paint wraps all the way around, so they are a little more detailed. Wanted to take a little more time with them, so we decided to split it up into one more day. Very sharp, looks like a completely different car at this point. Got the side-by-side out, the CF Moto. Got the generator going. ATV. This beautiful land. Got the sun shining. So we're gonna go ahead, pull the Porsche back inside. This is what's keeping us nice and warm in here. Loading her up. All right, after a long day and night, here we are. We've got it all wrapped up in the satin black. Got it out in the sunlight for the first time.